Hi, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com, and in this tutorial we're going to look at publishing to Business Catalyst. Now, Muse and Business Catalyst really go hand in hand, so we can't really stress this enough how good those two work together, things like forms and so on. And the two options in Muse, Publish and Manage, are specifically for Business Catalyst. So it does make sense. I mean, if you've got your own hosting, that's fine. We'll have a look at, in the next couple of tutorials, we're going to look at FTP upload and storing locally, exporting locally, and then using your own FTP. But for the price and what you get, I really think that Business Catalyst is an absolute winner. So let's take a look at these two options. So here we have the entity MuseGrid template that we've loaded up, and once we're ready to upload, we just hit the publish button. And because we're logged in with our Adobe ID, it's going to look at the sites that we've already got, and as you can see, that it's already noticed that this site's been published before, and it tells us that this is on the MuseGrid-entity. So this is the trial site that you see on the MuseGrid site. If we click on the options here, we can see that we can publish to that, or we could publish to any of the other sites that we've got there, or create a new site. And then on the upload option, then we can upload just the modified files, or we can upload all files. So just on that thing, just dealing with all files, sometimes when Muse uploads, there's errors created occasionally, and you look at the site and you think, I don't know what's wrong with this. It's nothing to do with the template necessarily, but Muse may have, when it was doing the upload of only modified files, it may have missed some of the files. So to correct that, it's easy. Just go to all files and then just re-upload. So that's just a little trick that I found works when you're trying to bug fix a site that may have worked perfectly locally and then breaks when you upload it. So if we go ahead and let's say choose a new site, then it asks us what do we want to, and we're going to choose new entity for this. We're just going to, and this will publish it to a trial account. This is really great when you're working with client sites, because you can build the site, publish it, put it on a trial URL so they can get a look at it. Even if you're going to eventually publish to your own hosting or something else, then it's great because you can get it up and running quickly and get the client to approve and have a look at the site. New site, the URL is going to be new entity.businesscatalyst.com, and data center. Now you can leave it to automatic, but for instance, I'm based in the UK, so I might choose European Union for a UK-based site, or if I was with my colleagues in the States, then I'd choose the data center there, and then click OK. Lastly, let's take a look at Manage. Now if I click the Manage button, what that'll do is it'll open up my Business Catalyst hosting for that particular site. So here's the entity template, and Muse pushes out to the Web Basics account with Business Catalyst, so you get some nice little analytics, reporting, traffic sources. You can manage files and so on, and there's some good options, but we'll cover that in another tutorial. The great thing with clicking the Manage button is, as opposed to going to, for instance, your URL/admin and logging in that way, is that because you've clicked the Manage button, you can publish, you can continue to publish from Muse and work on the browser interface at the same time. If you logged in externally, then every time you publish, it would ask you to re-log in again. So it's just a little thing that I've found quite useful. So that's it with publishing to Business Catalyst. It means that you've got forms in there, and also it means that if you want to take your site larger and add other modules such as blogs, maybe even e-commerce, then you can easily scale the site from Web Basics to a different plan with Creative Cloud and Adobe Business Catalyst. So it's a really good hosting option. Thanks for watching.